When you sell or buy a home, you'll probably want to get some conveyancing quotes so you can understand what you're going to pay in legal fees. These quotes can all be presented very differently, which can make it really hard to compare. The aim of this video is to talk you through some of the common terms and cut through some of that legal jargon. The legal fee or professional fee is the fee that the conveyancer charges for the work that they are going to do. If the property is leasehold, you'll probably find that that legal fee is higher or that a leasehold supplement will be charged. In addition, if you're buying with a mortgage, again, it's commonplace for an additional fee to be charged for the work on behalf of the mortgage lender. Legal fees can be fixed, so that means that it will only increase if there are unforeseen circumstances. Alternatively, sometimes you'll get a quote which is based on the time the conveyancer thinks they're going to spend on the case. If the conveyancer time records, every phone call you or other parties make will eat into your allotted time, and if you use it up or go over it, you'll probably find you end up paying more than the original estimate. Disbursements, third-party expenses and out-of-pocket expenses all essentially mean the same thing. They're not fees the conveyancer earns, but instead are fees that are paid to third parties on your behalf. So, for example, land registry fees are paid to the land registry, local search fees are paid to the local authority, and stamp duty land tax will be paid to the inland revenue. When you're comparing quotes, just make sure that the exact circumstances of your case have been taken into account and that all disbursements are present on the quote. This will make sure that you avoid any nasty surprises later down the line. In terms of timing of when fees are payable, the vast majority of the legal fees are usually paid right before completion. You will generally find, though, that searches, for example, do need to be paid upfront. Finally, some conveyancers, like Enact, offer a no completion, no legal fee service. And this means that if something did go wrong and somebody pulled out, for example, you wouldn't have a legal fee to pay. If you decide not to take up a no completion, no fee option, just make sure that you understand what costs you would have to pay if something went wrong.